Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm gonna show you this natural makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. I'm gonna start priming my face using this Prep and Prime by M.A.C Cosmetics, and then I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to set my eyebrows. That way my eyebrows stay the whole day, guys. And I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial, so if you guys want to check that out, you guys can go ahead. And I'm just using this pencil that I got from Amazon. You know me with Amazon, okay? And I'm just gonna use my spoolie just to make sure my eyebrows look more realistic. And I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey to clean up my brows, as well as to use it as a base for my eyeshadow, guys. You know, I'm just using my blender just to blend everything out. And I actually love using my fingers to make sure my concealer sets very well. And I'm using this CoverGirl Brow Gel. For my shadow, I'm using this JUVIA'S palette. This is the shade Burkina. It's the brown kind of shade. For my wing liner, I'm using this Big Fat Liner by Rockins. I love this liner, guys. It does the job. It looks good. I like to use this glue I got from Amazon. I'll put everything in the description below. And these lashes too, I got them from Amazon. Okay, Amazon, you are doing it, okay? And I like to just, you know, use my concealer to apply on my dark spots, because, you know, your girl be breaking out sometimes, okay? And for my foundation, I'm using my favorite Too Faced. Yes, girl, this is in Butter Pecan. And for my highlight, I'm using this Maybelline Instant Eraser. This is the Neutralizer 150. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love this concealer, right? Because this concealer just does not have any flashbacks. It just looks perfect. It glides all the way through. Oh my gosh, like if you haven't used this concealer, guys, like for real, Maybelline, you did something right there, because I tried a lot of concealers, guys, and this one is like my fave, okay? So if you haven't tried this concealer, sis, go for it, okay? So I highlight, you know, under my eyes, my mouth, you know, my forehead right there. And for my contour, I'm using this Maybelline in Deep Dark. And I just love this Maybelline as well, guys. I feel like I've been using like concealer for a while, but I just found this powder. I'm just like, yo, I'm sold, okay? Alright guys, so to bake, I'm just using the same Sacha Buttercup setting powder that I had, you know, under my eyes, you know, all the places that I really want to highlight. And then I'm just going to use my brush to clean that up. So this is a very easy, very simple tutorial, because this is more like an everyday kind of look, guys. You can rock this every single day and be like, yes, sis. I'm I'm going to be using my MAC powder just to, you know, to blend everything out. This is in dark. For my highlight, I'm not going to be using any blush today, guys, but I'm going to be using this highlight by Kiss for the body and for your face as well. So I love using this glow palette. All right, guys, I'm gonna use the same gold, you know, palette for my inner corners right there, so that I can just give my eyes a little boost, you know. And I'm just gonna take the black pencil, you know, and just, you know, go under my waterline. That's about it, guys. And don't forget to use your mascara even though you have falsies, guys. Okay, I'm using this Laura Geller mascara in black. For my lips, I'm using this KKW Lip Liner in Nude. And then for the lipstick, I'm using this KKW 2.5. That's the nude as well. You guys can check this out. I used it on my Kim Kardashian inspired makeup tutorial as well. And for my, you know, gloss, I'm using this 24 gold. This lip gloss, I got it from the beauty supply. It was $2, girl. So yes, and it does the job, girl. I am just gonna set everything with my Urban Decay setting spray, and girl, that's about it. So this kind of look is my favorite because you can rock this anywhere, guys. You can rock this at work, you can rock this at anywhere. Like, sis, you can rock this on a date night. I hope you guys like this, and check out my braiding tutorial, this twist tutorial that I did. Make sure you check it out, and just, you know, you can achieve this look yourself. So you can do the whole shebang, the hair and the makeup. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to get your girl to 50K. Oh my gosh, we are at 39. I cannot believe you guys. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.